Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stock tank hot tub. First, select a durable stock tank, typically 6 to 8 feet in diameter, ensuring it fits your desired location. Prepare a level, sturdy base, such as gravel or concrete, to support the filled tank's weight, which can exceed 2,000 pounds. Gather your heating element, a water pump, and filtration system for efficient operation. Next, let's focus on heating and circulation. You can use a submersible electric heater, often 500 watts, or a more rustic wood-fired stove. Connect a small water pump and filter to keep the water clean and evenly heated. Remember to use GFCI outlets for all electrical components to ensure safety and properly insulate any exposed pipes. Maintaining clean and safe water is crucial. Use a standard hot tub chemical kit to balance pH and sanitize the water, checking levels daily or every other day. A floating dispenser for chlorine or bromine works well. Always keep a sturdy cover on your stock tank hot tub when not in use to conserve heat and prevent children or pets from falling in. Now for the best part, enjoying your new hot tub. It might take several hours for the water to reach a comfortable temperature, typically 100 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on your heater. Add some comfortable seating, perhaps a few waterproof cushions, and enjoy your homemade oasis. Remember to drain and clean the tank every few weeks for fresh, sparkling water.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.